Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open TikTok on mute. Let's start. At first you have to open the TikTok app. After that, tap on your profile. Then tap on the three horizontal line. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down and try to find out playback. After that, tap on here and then you will find out this option, open TikTok on mute. If you just turn it on, then after opening this app you will find the videos on mute. You just have to tap on the video to unmute the video, or you can adjust your volume of your device after opening the app. So this is how you can open your TikTok app on mute. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.